What's up, guys? So I had a little trouble taking these clips off the braid. They were well tightly pressed onto each braid, so I had to stop the video and use my rat tail comb to help me pry them off. So while I was trying to get the bun down, I noticed that there was a situation underneath my bun. It was a little bit difficult trying to get each of the pins out. So when I did finally get the pins out, I noticed that there was extra hair wrapped around my hair. So then I had a situation where I was trying to unravel the hair that was there as well. So what I did was to take one braid, cut it not too far down and not too far up, just enough so that I can get to unravel the hair easier and faster. Obviously, when you're going to cut the braid, you cut away from where you think your hair reaches. And so I try to normally use my fingers, but I find the best way to help with the speed up of the process is to use the rat tail comb. And when I got almost to the end, I continued using the rat tail comb, but I noticed that there was a lot of buildup of where the braid had started. So I finger detangle, and while finger detangling, I noticed that some of my hair came out from where the braid started. Some of my hair came out from the edges. And what I do to each braid as I go along is to spray the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, and that really helps to soften up the new growth. Now my hair at this point is soft from spraying the braid spray during the 4 weeks process. So this now will just help the roots to be more softer and easier to detangle. I use the flow through brush for this process, and I do the same thing for each braid. That's the amount I would get from each braid, and I just continue doing the same process. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of my technique. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And this is the amount of hair that I got. Let me know in the comment section if that's too much hair. Thank you so much for watching.